Hi, my name is Keng. I came from Thailand, and I am practicing speaking English, and also I am practicing teaching mathematics in English too. And this is my mathematics video lesson. Today I will talk about the number diagram of numbers. First diagram of numbers. Let's talk about the simplest number that we usually learn. We call it positive numbers, or we can call it natural number, or we can call it counting numbers, counting numbers. Besides this number, we have negative numbers. Counting number or natural or positive number, the example of this kind of number is 1. We start with 1 and 2, 3, 4, like this and so on. Or sometimes we include 0 to this kind of number too. So the negative number we have we start with -1, -2, -3, and so on. These are the example of negative number. Both of them we call it integer. The abbreviation of integer, we use I to call integer. Positive number we use I positive and I negative, like this integer. And besides integer, we have fraction and decimal number. Fraction and decimal numbers. The example of this kind of number is 1/2, 3/4, like this, and all 0.12. We call it fraction and decimal. Both are the same, but we just write it in different form. Look at this, 1/2 and 0.5. If we translate it to the fraction form, we going to have 5/10, and if we simplified it, just divide it by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We have 1/2, and those are the same. So now we have both of them, integer and fraction and decimal. We call it rational numbers. Rational number, the definition of this kind of number is we can write it in a form of fraction. We can write integer in a form of fraction, like this. If we have 4, we can write it 4/1, like this. And this too, absolutely we can see it in the form of fraction, like this, we call both of them rational number. And besides rational number, we have irrational number. Irrational numbers. So this can write in fraction form, so this cannot write in fraction form. The example of this kind of number is just like the square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, or pi. Sometimes we can see it pi is equal to 22 over 7, but it is not the equal. It's estimation of pi. Or sometimes we can see it 3.14. It is not equals. It is the estimation. We can use this sign of estimation. So both are this is irrational numbers, and this rational number we can call it both real number, real, real numbers. So further we will study about the next two real number is imaginary numbers. Okay, and we call it both complex number, COM, complex number. Okay, these are the diagram of numbers. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.